again, YouTubers. So I am doing a totally different style of video that I've ever done before, and it is a Trader Joe's haul. You see all of this? My two girlfriends and I went to Trader Joe's today. Went a little bit crazy, but that's okay. We only get to go once a month. So I'm gonna break down and tell you everything I got and a little bit about why I got it. So I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to talk about is something that is sitting here on my counter already cut open in half. It is the Havarti dill cheese. My girlfriend Shauna said it is amazing, and so we got one and we split it, and I'm going to set it over there because it needs to get wrapped up. All right, one of my first and favorite things from there that I get every single time we go, and it is the cauliflower gluten-free cheese pizza. This is what it looks like. Picked up two of them. They're amazing. It is for the whole thing. The whole pizza is only 760 calories per serving, which is a third of the pizza, only 250 calories. Marty and I split one of these and we're completely content. It's also a great dinner when he's away. It's a perfect thing for me to just kind of pick up and throw in the oven. I do say make sure you bake it, okay? And do a little bit longer than even what it said. Okay, Trader Joe's organic sriracha and roasted garlic barbecue sauce. I had heard really good things about this. I think it was even listed as like one of their like favorite items or whatever have you. Refrigerate after opening. I'm definitely excited to try that. Haven't tried it yet. It is 50 calories per 2 tablespoon serving. Has 12 grams of sugar in it. That's a lot of sugar in it, guys. I'm just reaching into bags. Okay, got this one. Crushed garlic. So this is what it looks like, and it is, you keep it in the freezer, and it is little bits of garlic, which is perfect when you're making recipes, when you're making a salad dressing. It's already ready to go. I picked this up on a whim because Marty's away tonight, and I thought it would be a good thing. Probably not the best thing for me, but it kind of caught my interest while I was there. The Fettuccine Alfredo with grilled chicken. It's pasta, cheese, and chicken in a wine sauce. So let's take a look here. For 1 cup, so for half the bag, it is 430 servings. 430 calories, not too bad. Only 2 grams of sugar, how many carbs? 38 grams of carbs, it's a lot of carbs, but it's because of the pasta. So I just figured that would be a good, stick it in the fridge. Oh, pick this one up, the vegetable pad thai. My girlfriend Shauna noticed it and saw it. So for 1 tray of it, it's 320 calories. Wow, that's a lot of carbs, 74 grams of carbs. A lot of that has to be from the vegetables, but I've heard it's really good. I'm putting things behind me, so. Okay, so this is a funny story. So this is the organic kosher hot and spicy dill pickle chips. All right, so the last time I was there, my girlfriend Erin and I go every month or so. We go and have lunch at a place that's in the shopping center, and then we go to Trader Joe's. And so the first time we went, we were looking for potato chips. So I got these. I'm excited to try them. Marty loves stuff like that, so he'll probably love it. And there were only 3 of those left on the shelf. Next thing I picked up was the Gyoza dipping sauce. I'm always making a dipping sauce when I use like the pot stickers and stuff I'll show you. And I saw this there in front of it, so I figured I'd give this a shot rather than having to make it every single time. Anything to save some time, right? All right, got the mushroom risotto. Marty and I both like mushrooms, so this one is 150 calories for a cup of it. There are 3 servings in here, 25 grams of carbs, and only 1 gram of sugar. So not bad. Putting all the frozen stuff in one area and all the rest in another. Picked up some of the sweet potato gnocchi with butter and sage. My neighbor, actually, I think was the one that picked these up and said that they're really good. As you guys know, if you're gonna eat carbs, sweet potatoes are a better carb for you. So 1 cup is 250 calories, and there's 3 servings in here. So it doesn't sound too bad, actually. How many carbs and how many sugars? 33 grams of carbs, 7 grams of sugar. What's next? They're fried or riced cauliflower stir fry. We got this last time. Green peas, red peppers, grilled corn, tamarind, spring onions, sesame oil, and ginger. It is basically a fried rice all together. You just have to heat it up. Oh, here, I'll tell you. 50 calories per serving, 4.5 servings per container, 1 cup, let's see here, 7 grams of carbs and 3 grams of sugar. Not bad. Oh, okay, that's 1 bag. Next one, So you'll see a lot of these. This is the Trader Joe's quinoa and black bean infused tortilla chips made with stone ground white corn, red quinoa, and black beans. We all like these. 12 servings in the container, 140 calories. It's 18 grams of carbs and 0 grams of sugar. There are 3 bags of these. We like these with hummus, salsa, like anything. There's another, oh, here we go. I'll just take them all out and get them out of the way. I have to buy a lot of those. Marty likes chips and salsa. He loves the snack on chips and salsa. The pretzel slims, everything bagel ones, 110 calories. There are 8 servings in here, about 23 pretzels you can have, 23 grams of carbs and 2 grams of sugar. Heard those are really, really good though. Oh, got hummus. Okay, so last time we went, I picked up this one, and it is amazing. It's the cilantro and jalapeno one. Has a serious bite to it. It's so good though. And then I decided just to pick up the classic one this time and see what I thought of the classic one, because I figured this one is the classic with the jalapeno and cilantro in it, but I love the jalapeno and cilantro one. All right. Oh, their Salsa Verde. Guys, I have their corn salsa too. Their corn salsa is really good. It's sweet though, so be prepared for that. I've heard the corn salsa is really good on salmon. I'm just not a salmon person. But the Salsa Verde, we always have one of these in our fridge and at least one in the pantry. And it's so good with those chips. That's pantry stuff. That's fridge stuff. Let's see here. Okay. These are an indulgence. My girlfriend Erin and I, last time we were there, were looking for this thing, and I have one of them in here somewhere. I'll show you. It was something that we thought had the cookie butter in it, and we thought it was a cookie because it was a bar. So we found these and we picked them up thinking that has to be it, right? These things, now I've heard that cookie butter is really good. I've never tried that because I'm afraid to, because if I do, I'll probably buy and eat all of it. So I got these, and it's basically the cookie butter. It's the creamy cookie butter spread between 2 butter cookies. I wish I didn't know about this. It's that good. Crazy. So, probably so bad for you. I don't even want to read this, do I? I'll read it because now I need to know. So 2 cookies are 180 calories, 20 grams of carbs, and 8 grams of sugar. Alrighty then. Probably would have been better not knowing, but that's right. The sesame honey cashews. My girlfriend Shauna said these are really good. 1/4 cup, 170 calories, 15 grams of carbs, 7 grams of sugar. That seems pretty high too. It's honey, so. Okay, someone else told me that this one is really good. They had said the ginger granola, and I hadn't picked it up, but then I saw this when I was there, and I assumed this is what they were talking about. The Just the Clusters ginger and almond cashew granola cereal. I love granola in my yogurt, so, and I love ginger, and so I figured give that a shot. Oh, this one's heavy. All right, got this one. Because I figured MJ might like it, and my girlfriend Erin had heard that this was amazing. It's the reduced guilt mac and cheese. I figured rather than the regular one, why not get the reduced guilt one and see how it is, and that way I could maybe try a bite of it. It is 65% less fat and 25% fewer calories than their regular mac and cheese. 270 calories for the container, 40 grams of carbs, and 4 grams of sugar. Ooh, that one's MJ's. All right, we got the mushroom medley, seasoned with olive oil, garlic, and parsley. We love mushrooms around here, so that one is a great purchase. Oh, there's lots of, oh, okay. So this, I bought 2 for me and 2 for my neighbor. My neighbor went and loved it and was like, you have to get me more of this. And it is the Unexpected Cheddar, and we were all like sitting there reading it. What's the Unexpected Cheddar? It tastes like an aged premium cheddar with hints of Parmesan. So 2 are for me, 2 are for my neighbor. Setting those off to the side. All right, another one of the mushroom medley. Run out of space back there. Picked up the Mexican style roasted corn with cheese. I don't even know how to say this, cojita cheese. How do you say that, guys? So 2/3 of a cup. There are 3.5 servings in the whole bag. It is 160 calories, 21 grams of carbs, 7 grams of sugar. The mushrooms, just to let you know, for 1 cup, there are 4 servings in the container, 120 calories, 10 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of sugar. That's not too bad. Sorry if you hear the cups running around, it's beautiful out. Okay, so the chicken Gyoza pot stickers, chicken and vegetable dumplings. These are great for a night where you're craving Chinese, but you don't want to eat too bad, but you need something to eat. Marty and I have had these a couple times. They're so good. 7 pot stickers. There are 3 servings in here, 200 calories, 30 grams of carbs, no sugars. That was the chicken one. I also got the pork ones. There they are. I also got the pork Gyoza pot stickers. Oops, stuff's tipping over back there. Picked up, these are great. The fire roasted vegetables with balsamic butter sauce. We had these before with the chicken and they're really good. Half a cup. There's 6 servings in here though. 70 calories, 5 grams of carbs, 2 grams of sugar. So not bad for you at all. And they're really yummy. They're so easy. You just throw them in a saucepan. Okay, and we love these. Oh, I forgot to get the miso stuff that Aaron was talking about. I meant to pick it up. We were talking about it and then I forgot. So these are steamed chicken soup dumplings. You can have them with soup or without. They are amazing for a whole package of them. It is 6 dumplings and it's 250 calories. Again, a good little thing just to have in the fridge or freezer, whatever have you. This is the Kung Pao chicken. I heard that the orange chicken is really good, but neither of us are big orange chicken people, so I decided to try the Kung Pao chicken. Just seems something more up our alley. All right, I heard these are really good, but I don't even know if you cook them. So mango and sticky rice spring rolls. 250 calories for 2 spring rolls. Doesn't seem too bad. How many carbs? 50 grams of carbs and 14 grams of sugar. This is totally a dessert. Oh, you heat them in the oven or on the stovetop. Interesting. My freezer, I've got to have to clean out after all this and get it all organized. All right. Oh, this is the thing that my girlfriend Erin was looking for last time. It's called the speculoos cookie spread. Dark chocolate filled with speculoos. I don't even know which I think is the cookie dough. I mean the cookie butter. Picked up some eggs, dozen eggs. Oh, I heard great things about this, and Marty loves this stuff, or similar stuff. The Green Dragon hot sauce. I've heard that that's amazing. Marty will be very excited about that. I got some dried mango. It's just mango slices. Wow, 28 grams of carbs and 20 grams of sugar. But it's because it's fruit. That's gonna go over here. And then just some meats. Okay, so this one's the pollo asada, authentica thinly sliced chicken breast something. Pollo asada seasoned with authentic recipe. And it is 4 chicken breasts that are sliced thin, 130 calories. Where is it? 4 grams of carbs, 1 gram of sugar. Then I heard the carne asada is amazing. Thinly sliced beef tenderloin, 4 ounces, 160, 180, I can't read it. 1 carb, 0 sugars. And then one of the things that they are probably best known for, and it is so good, it's called the spatchcocked lemon rosemary chicken. It's a butterflied whole chicken that is then marinated in lemon and rosemary and all kinds of stuff. Let's see if it tells me here. Lime juice, extra virgin olive oil, garlic, vinegar, rosemary, lemon slices. And it is 4 ounces, 240 calories with 2 grams of carbs and 1 gram of sugar. So, and these are going in the freezer because Marty is away. But that is all of it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little Trader Joe's haul. I don't think I can link anything, but I'll list the names of the things. Hopefully the receipt will be able to tell me. Yeah, it does. So I'll be able to list the things for you guys. So all of that, by the way, to give you an idea, was $165. And that's gonna last us a long while. Like, that is all freezable stuff. And these are going in the freezer. So we'll have a lot of things that if we all of a sudden realize, oh, we're home on a Friday night, we can cook one of these things. There are so many different ideas, so many mixtures of things. You can grab one of these, some of that, like lots of snack stuff, but like not bad for you snack stuff, like exception of the cookies that I felt the need to get and the bar. I mean, realistically, I didn't buy that much junk. Oh, and those mango sticky rice things. Not sure about those now, but think they were like $2 or $3. So that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please let me know if you have any questions whatsoever, guys. And thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.